So you put the slider through the bottom and push out one test strip.
These mini wind turbines are making electricity.
And the ridges on the inside will catch the corn.
So I want to be a world changer. I'm Demira and I'm an inventor.
I'm Robbie and I'm an inventor.
I'm an inventor.
I'm an inventor.
We are inventors.
I am an inventor.
We estimated that if implemented, it'll cut down on landfill waste by about 1/3 and save us about $7.3 billion in the process.
My friend told me that because he had severe allergies, he needed to spend upwards of 3 hours in a supermarket every single time he shopped because he couldn't read this small little ingredient text, and his parents struggled to do so as well.
We always want to inspire that next generation, and this kind of competition is really inspiring that next generation of doers, of creators, of inventors, yes, but also entrepreneurs, people who are going to solve the problems that we all face today and that we will face tomorrow.
Our algorithm right now is trying to count cells on a page, and we're using image recognition, and one of the biggest problems there is that when two objects are very close together, they're usually detected as one object just due to the nature.
I then realized that the dimples would have no way of getting fresh air in them, so I decided to move towards an air channel, which would suck in air by using the boat's forward motion.
It originally used Bluetooth, but then I changed it to sonar and acoustic waves because of how well they use. However, that meant creating a lot of new prototypes.
Actually went through 4 different types of motors because they either weren't strong enough or they weren't fast enough for my liking.
I had trouble getting my magnet onto my motor. If I hot glued it directly, it would fly off. I tried to use a cork then, but the cork was falling apart.
So instead, I used the Raspberry Pi in combination with the Arduino in order to get capabilities of both Wi-Fi as well as hardware.
And this is the next generation workforce that we need.
Just a small girl from a small town can make a really big difference, and when you have so many other people to support you, like the Invention Convention with so many other people, oh, you can do this, you can do that, it makes you empowered and it makes you feel really great about your invention and about what impact you're having on your community.